going on? I'm opening up another mystery box from Amazon that could have everything and anything in these boxes, from food, most of it's outdated, and all kinds of new product. The returns, over shipment, I guess. People didn't want the stuff, they sent it back. I usually buy a pallet full of 24 boxes in this size box. And for $900, so it comes about to $37.50, and you can get anything in these boxes. Like I've said before, Xboxes. I got an Xbox. I kept it myself. Oh God, cups. Like I said, food, coffee. If you can name it, it's usually in these boxes. All right, let's go. Let's start with my. Where did I put my knife? Give me 1 second. Okay, first item, a dog training collar. I've got these before. I don't think they've sold. A curtain, there's no information about it though. It's peach. And I think it's a dark out one. It keeps the sun out. How do we got there? Valentine, for pillows. I had some in my last video. I had a lot of them. What do we got? A tapestry goes on your wall. Tapestry tree. Had a few of them too. I didn't heard of them before. We got old Saint Nick, Santa Claus. Another 6 months before he comes, I think. These are stickers. We got some cards. Son-in-law card. Father's Day card. Wish I had them before Father's Day, but let me look at this. Happy cake topper. Happy Father's Day with the mustache. Happy birthday, more cake toppers. Chinese, Happy New Year. You put money in these cards and give them out to your paperboy, milkman, mail guy. 2.5 round stamp for raviolis, to make raviolis. Okay, next item we have more pillowcases things. 2 orange and white buffalo check plaid pillowcase, or pillow covers they call them. All right, what do we have here? We have something small here. Splash filter faucet. Next item. What the? Halloween gnomes. Oh yeah. There's one. There's 2. So we got some gnomes for Halloween, which is only around the corner, guys and girls. If you like what you see, my eBay store will be on the bottom of the video. Alright, what do we got here? This is Modern Sport Black Gym Organizer. Alright, next item. We got some mouse traps. I've had a few of these boxes they've sold. I do have now a black mystery box. No writing on it at all. It is a cup to drink out of. And it's brand new. It says imagination. So I don't know. Never heard of it. We got 450 count mini lights at home. All right, next item, we have flip-flops by Cat and Jack, size 13. Next item we got, what is this? Two little pirates. Next item, 3D face mask brackets or whatever, the rubbery. All right, let's go. This is a cordless jump rope counter for indoor and outdoor. Something for Halloween. Fashion, I don't know. For Halloween, black. Maybe a net. Spider web, maybe. I don't know. All right, we good? Happy 16th birthday. Cake toppers. We have two Kansas City Chief notebooks, I guess. There's nothing written in them. There's nothing. So I don't know what these are for. Next item, oh, heavy one here. This is a camping chair. I think I've had this one before. I don't think it's sold either. All right, something light now. Elephant stickers and moon and whatnot. Elephant. Who doesn't like an elephant? We got more Christmas lights. 140 clear lights. Winter Wonder. All right. A tree dome light. There we go. Tree dome light. Next item. Another cake topper for a birthday girl. We have reindeer antlers. Yeah. Next item. Two items. We got smoothing conditioner. Detangles and softens hair. These are they lock. I have no idea. I really don't know. Some investigation got to be done with that. This one we have a 3-piece hand-on I don't know, 16 times 20, so I don't know what it is. Maybe a post or something? But I don't know. Sorry about that sun glare, guys. Right, this is the last item, and it's a heavy one. The very big sketchbook, 600 pages. Look at this bad boy. Alright, that's it, guys. Like it, share it, hit the bell button. Check out my eBay store. I have so much, from wrestling stuff to big sketchbook. To everything you've been looking for, I have it. And it's not, it's pretty reasonable. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.